Rotating teeth bite into the stalk and pull it inside. Metal plates clamp down tight while the rollers twist below. With a quick snap, the ears break off and ride up the chain conveyor. An auger grabs them next, feeding every ear deeper into the machine. Inside, spinning drums tear off the husks and strip the cobs clean. The empty stalks and bare cobs shoot out the back. Meanwhile, the kernels rise into the grain tank, filling it fast. And when the tank is full, the auger swings out and releases a river of corn into the waiting trailer. If you're curious about magic, first like this video, then hit subscribe. After that, go to the share button at the very end. You'll see a more option. Long press it and watch closely. This is where the magic happens. Did it work for you or not? Don't forget to let us know in the comments.